Welcome! If you want to turn off Google Assistant option into your Honor 8, first step, go into Play Store and check, maybe your Google application need to update. So if need to update, click update and wait a few seconds for updating. And then click open after updating. And now we got on the bottom our option Google, so click more option in the right corner and go into settings. Then choose Google Assistant and scroll down and find general option, this one. And now we got Google Assistant turn on, so press here to turn off. Confirm operation, clicking one more time, and that's it. Now we turn off our Google Assistant. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.